Yung ginagawa ko kasi, ini-introduce ko yung tatay ko. Kasi alam naman natin, yung mga hindi pa decided, may fears sila sa tatay ko. Sinasabi nila, is a dictator, he will declare martial law, he's a communist. And let me explain on that. Pagiging komunista is extreme left. Extreme yun eh. Nandito kami sa center left. The ideology of the poor. Sa Davao kasi, gusto namin ng pantay, patas. Hindi kailangan mayaman, mahirap o Kristiyano, Muslim, bayot, tomboy, lahat pantay. Social equality. Equality for all. Kasi, dito sa Pilipinas, yun yung wala sa atin. Sino may hawak ng Pilipinas? Those are the greedy people. Nandyan lang. Na nasa taas, na nasa pwesto. The oligarchs. I'm sorry to say, but that is true. Totoo yan. Kaya, nasa left kami. Hindi kami komunista. Malayo kami sa komunista. Nasa left kami. Because we want equality. Walang dictatorship sa Davao City. Because every time he implements a law, ini-embrace namin. If we accept what he says, then that is not dictatorship. Yun yung punto dyan. So why would they say that he is a dictator? Yung kalaban kasi dyan, drugs and corruption. Yung drugs and corruption kasi, yun yung nagpapahirap sa mga Pilipinong naghihirap na. To whose benefit? To the syndicates, the few who want to take advantage of the lives of other people for their own profit. If you do not take advantage of each other at magmamahalan tayo at respeto lang, makakamit natin yung Philippines na gusto natin, na matagal na nating pinapanaginip. I assure you that.